Welcome to Trello, our current communication platform. To get started, click on the Read First instructions card. The first step is to download the Trello app so you can message us on the go right from your phone. From here, you can quickly read through the rest of the instructions and then click anywhere outside of the card to exit. Under Important Information, you will also find your trip countdown and your digital travel companion. Click here to access the most recent version. We are always updating as new details are added to your trip. Click in the table of contents to quickly navigate to the section you would like to view. From here, you can access anything from your travel overview to pages for print for you to take notes or plan your budget. Your travel overview and itinerary will be updated as we book flights, excursions, and make reservations on your behalf. To print your travel companion, click Share in the upper right-hand corner. From here, you can download the PDF to print. Select all pages or just the specific pages you like to print. Heading back over to Trello, let's look at the organization and communication tools we have in place. First, let's talk about messaging. In this section, you can leave any comments and questions for a live expert to answer. Simply click Add a card and type your question. To exit the question, click Enter or click anywhere outside of the card. We will respond to you as soon as possible. To continue the discussion and review your answers, click on the card to open the details. Here you will find your response and can leave any additional related comments. Once your comment has been fully answered, click the checkbox next to the due date. This will mark your question as closed and move it to the bottom of your list. Next up, we have the To-Do section. Here you will find the tasks we recommend to ensure a seamless travel experience. To start, you can scroll through the list and mark off any tasks which you know will not be applicable, such as advising the school of absences for children or hiring a pet sitter. Mark these tasks as complete the same way as before, clicking the box next to the due date. The task will move to the bottom of your list. If you are on a payment plan, you will find a section to track and make upcoming payments. We also want to ensure packing is as easy as possible. Included, we have a packing list. Feel free to open each section and edit for your personal needs by adding and deleting items. You can mark off items once they are packed and ready to go. If Click Discover Travel is curating your travel for you, expect to also see a destination planning section. Here we will save travel options for you to consider based on your specific travel requests. You are now ready to go. We can't wait to continue working with you and to see photos from your upcoming trip.